boys and girls, it's Ellie the Elf here at Santa's workshop at the North Pole. Today, Santa's letting us test the little people see and say. Let's play. Hey kids, look who it is. It's Farmer Eddie and all of his farm friends. Let's see what they all have to say.
Says,
Oh, I wonder what this does.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm there was a turkey, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
That was cool. Hey, little baby chick, what do you say?
Chick says,
There's a little bunny.
bunny.
Hoppy hoppy sounds. Oh, what is this?
Cat says, meow meow.
Look at that cute cat. And there's an owl.
Owl. Ooh, ooh.
And what does this mean right here?
Find the animal that makes this sound.
Find the animal that makes that sound. I think it's our friend Mr. Turkey.
That's right. The turkey says.
Good job. All right, watch this. Look at all the other animals. Let's start here.
Dog. The sheep says.
And the chicken?
Rooster.
Oh, he's a rooster. Piggy.
Pig says. Horse.
Here's one everybody knows.
Cow says.
And what is this?
Find the pig.
Oh, look, we did find the pig. There it is, right there. Let's see again. What does the pig say?
That's right. Pig.
And what is this?
The horse in the dell. The horse in the dell. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The horse in the dell.
There's the horse.
Horse. Frog says.
Hi, little ducky. Which animal is your favorite? I really like the horse. What about here? Hey, did we listen to this little mouse? What does this little cute mouse sound like?
Mouse says.
Oh, I like that little mouse.
Mouse.
Let's flip back.
Cow says.
All right, we're gonna get a question.
Find the cow.
Well, we know where the cow is. Hi, Mr. Cow.
That's right. Cow.
Have you ever milked a cow? I have, and it's fun.
Pig says.
All right, kids. It's time to say goodbye. Let's play my favorite song.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm there was a turkey, E-I-E-I-O. With a
that's it for another toy testing day. Hey, let me know. What did you think of the Fisher-Price See and Say? Isn't that cool? And I want you to be sure to subscribe so you can watch all of our cool toy videos the very minute they come out. Plus, find out how you can get this toy in the description below. We're here all year round, kids, testing toys just for you. Oh, here he is. I gotta go. I'll see you next time. Check out some of our other toy test videos here on the right and click on my face to subscribe.